it's Allanna here. Yep, it is the first day of school of my senior year. It's here, and I am up way earlier than I am used to being. So I'm also not a morning person, so you know, but I'm up. This eye is burning. I've done my makeup already, or what you can call my makeup, my eyeliner pretty much. Now I gotta get dressed and make some breakfast. Let's do this.
So I had laid out what I was gonna wear today on my chair, and it's just white top, black ripped jeans. Yes, I know, very colorful for the first day of school because I'm just that excited to go back to school. No, but for real, I'm just excited to see my friends. My outfit for today is just this white top, my black ripped jeans, black belt, my white slip-on Vans, and then my black watch to go with it. So I am back home now from my first day of school. It's a little after 1:30. I'm so happy since it is my senior year. I get off school at 1:20 every day. So I get to come home and make myself some good food. So I'm so happy about that. But with that said, I'm really hungry right now. So I will just go over kind of how my day went. I ended up getting to school super early. It doesn't start till almost 9 o'clock, but I got there super early with plenty of time to spare. I drove my brother and I to school. And I got there and I met up with some friends, just kind of chilled for a little bit. I had to go to the library to make sure my first period was still the same as the schedule I got on our prep day. Thankfully it was. First period, I had media literacy, which seems like a really cool class. We're going to be doing a lot of film studies and just studying camera angles and just everything that goes into making movies, which is great for me because I've already completed all the way through the advanced audio and video production class, which I already learned all that type of stuff in that class and beyond, and I already know that stuff, so this class is going to be really easy for me, but will also keep me learning more about film production and just what goes into making movies. And then, let me check my schedule. My second period was the advanced commercial photography, which, as you guys know, I'm also into photography, so that is great. And I have the same teacher for my photography that I had for my advanced video production class, so I already know him. He's a cool teacher and I'm excited for that class. Then I had my AP English class. That class, whew, me and along with a bunch of other students learned today that we read the wrong summer reading book, so yay, gotta order a new one and read it by like next Tuesday. This is gonna be fun, real fun. We were all very confused. Then after that I had Art 1, and that one just seems like it's going to be a really fun class. And one thing that you guys don't really know about me is several years ago I was super into drawing and painting. Like I even learned how to oil paint and everything, but since I picked up photography and like my video stuff, I kind of dropped that and haven't done it much, so I'm glad that I am back into that stuff, and this class will give me an opportunity to do that stuff again. And then I have US Government Economics. That seems like that'll be an interesting one too. And then of course my last period is lunch, but I leave right during my lunch period and I just come home because then I have 7th and 8th off. And so therefore that's why I get to leave every day at 1:20. But and the thing is, you guys are probably thinking like, wow, your classes are super easy, but that's because I got ahead and I actually only needed 2 classes to graduate this year. So other than those 2 classes, our state requires that we be at school for a minimum of 5 periods a day. So the other 3 I just had to fill with easy electives to fill my schedule basically. So yeah, senior year is gonna be a great year. Today went really well, and yeah. Now that I've eaten lunch and you guys saw what I ate for lunch, that was honestly a really quick and thrown together lunch because right after that my mom and I went and ran some errands. But then when I came back home, this came in the mail, and I have been wanting one of these. It's pretty much a shake bottle. It's by the brand Bonison. It's a 24-ounce one. I was just really wanting one of these, honestly. I wasn't looking for any specific brand, but since I make smoothies all the time for breakfast in the morning, I know I didn't make one this morning just because I didn't feel like cutting up the fruit for all of that. I usually have one. I really like to throw them in a water bottle, and usually I would stick it in the ones with the lid with the straw coming out of it, but it's just really difficult to clean those cups with the straw in it, especially once you had a smoothie in it. So I really like these because it not only doesn't have a straw, so I don't have to worry about trying to clean the straw when I'm done, but it has this cool little lid on it so I don't have to worry about it spilling, and it has this opening at the top, so it's way easier to clean than a straw. Just overall, way better. And then it has a little mixing bowl in there just in case you want to put your protein drinks in there. It's just great. I really wanted one, and I'm so happy it finally came in the mail today. So today's just been a great day overall, you know? So that is pretty much it for my first day of senior year. Gosh, that is like crazy that I'm saying I'm a senior now, but I'm just excited for this year. And if today was your first day of school as well, I hope your first day went well, and I wish you guys all a great year for school this year. I hope everything goes great and you make good grades. That's important. Be sure to give this video a big fat thumbs up, comment down below how y'all's first day of school went and if you're enjoying this school year, or just anything you'd like to talk about, how your school year is going so far. We can chat about it down below. Subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and turn on my post notifications so you never miss a post. And once you have turned on my post notifications, comment done down below for a post notification shout out in one of my videos, because you know who doesn't want a shout out for that. Because today's post notification shout out goes to Malia and Mackenzie. Thank you guys so much for being subscribed and having my post notifications on, and I'm glad you guys are a part of the family here now. I love you guys so much. I will see you next time. Bye bye.